Hey guys, let's make a miniature city in Blender. All you need is a drone view of a city. Any image will work. You can get them for free at Pixabay or Pexels. I mean, just completely free. All you need is Gimp to do it. It's completely free too. So you don't need anything paid to do this. Just an internet connection and a computer. That's it. So, let's create a new let's just create a new image. Because that's where we're gonna have our miniature city. So we can just find our image of a city and just drag it in, and look, you have it. And if it has a different weird aspect ratio, just open it, like doing this, and then we'll open it and it'll have like the perfect frame. But this is a good city to do, I'd say, and it will look really cool made miniature. So let's go ahead and press Ctrl A to ensure that we have everything on this layer selected. Make sure you select the layer with your city on it right over here. Okay, and now let's go to filters and then focus blur. So we can go right here. And now you can see it, we already have kind of a miniature looking effect, and it's really cool. So there are a lot of ways you could do it. You could just keep this, I like to stretch it out, or you can set this shape to horizontal, and that works perfectly well too, which I might actually do for this one. And then I like to, it tends to work best about right here, where it's like, make sure that you can drag this down to make it a much smaller look, and it's already looking really cool. We can turn up the blur radius to make it look much more miniature. It might take a while for your computer to process all of this. Remember, it's a lot for any computer to do. Now I can press OK, and it might take a moment, but now we have a really awesome miniature city. And this is the kind of thing that will catch people's eye, or at least it'll catch my eye, because I'm attracted to anything miniature. And this video is also kind of an experiment. I wanted to see how many people clicked on this video with this thumbnail, because I wondered, are people going to be drawn to these miniatures? So thank you for learning something and participating in an experiment. This is just, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like this, because that really helps me out. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2022, which is kind of a really big goal, but if you click subscribe, it'll help me get there, so thanks.